MongoDB is an open source database, a NoSQL database, as they say. So it's non-relational, and the goal of the product is to give you a database that scales horizontally on clusters of commodity hardware. Thus it works well in cloud environments too. And in addition, to try to make software development easier with the way we write apps today. The reason, the inspiration for the project was just writing apps ourselves, getting frustrated with the tools, seeing the same problems come up over and over again, and having to be solved over and over again with workarounds and such, and feeling like there's got to be a better way. And part of that better way is cloud computing. Another part of it, I think, is a big change in database technologies. Developers really like MongoDB. It really fits well with the way we write software today. The dynamic scheme and nature of the product makes it fit well with iterative development methodologies. So there's this real focus on software development, making it easy, productive, nimble. We like to use the word agile. We think of kind of what MongoDB gives you is both scalability and agility. People are using it both because they can write apps faster and they can scale horizontally on commodity hardware in large clusters. Thus, it's very compatible with cloud computing. We're trying to kind of build the database that we would want to use to write apps. One of the reasons we started the MongoDB project is just because we thought cloud computing was going to be very important, and traditional databases are not cloud friendly. So for us to create something that fits well in a cloud infrastructure was very important. I'm very excited about OpenShift. I mean, for me, PaaS, or Platform as a Service, is a very big deal. A PaaS gives you kind of a full stack that's pre-built, right? And so the way Mongo fits in is by being the data layer in that stack. And the great thing about Platform as a Service is because that's all pre-stitched, you don't have to do all that work yourself. You just write your app and you deploy it to the cloud. We're really excited about Tenjin and Red Hat continuing to work together. You know, these themes are a big deal. You know, we're seeing massive transformation in how we write software today, how we deploy it, how we scale it, how we run it. And to be part of that process is a big deal to us and exciting.